Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to fix sound issues in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Experiencing sound issues in Beach Buggy Racing 2 can be frustrating, but don't worry. This step-by-step guide will help you restore the audio so you can enjoy the game to the fullest. First of all, make sure to check in your game sound settings. Launch the application on your mobile device. After you open up Beach Buggy Racing 2 on your device, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. Once you open up this menu, click on Settings at the top, and where you see the audio option, make sure that your SFX volume and music volume is turned on. Adjust the music and SFX volume to your preference and just make sure that it is not turned off. Once you make sure that the SFX volume and music volume is turned on, you will be starting to hear music on your game. If that still doesn't work, make sure that your device's volume is turned up. Confirm that your device is not in a silent mode or do not disturb mode, and also try playing audio from other apps to verify that your device's audio system is functioning correctly. If the problem still persists, try restarting the game and the device. Close the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game completely. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring the app switcher and force close the application by pushing off your app switcher upwards and releasing. Soon after you do that, your game will be force quit. Now open up the game again in order to restart the game. You can also try restarting your device so that it can help resolve temporary glitches affecting the game's audio. And those were some of the fixes you could try out if your Beach Buggy Racing 2 has some sounds issue going on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.